Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make kulolo. Kulolo is a Hawaiian dessert that is made from kalo or taro root. It's a sweet, chewy treat that is beloved to Hawaiians. The ingredients to make kulolo is pretty simple. You'll need the following ingredients. Taro root is probably carried at any local Asian market. First, shave the outer skin of the kalo root. Wear gloves when handling the kalo root to avoid any skin irritation. Cut it into smaller chunks to grate it. If you don't have a processor, you could always hand grate it with a cheese grater. Prep the processor with a grater attachment. Grate all of the kalo root chunks. Take out the kalo root and change the processor to the default blade to grind it into finer pieces. Set the kalo into a bowl. Then add in the sugar and coconut milk. Mix it well. Line an 8-inch pan with foil and add in the mixture. Tightly cover it with foil. Steam the mixture for 5 to 6 hours. Make sure it is thoroughly cooked so it doesn't produce the scratch throat phenomenon. Remove the pan after it has finished cooking. Let it cool down or let it chill in the fridge overnight. Take it out from the pan. Remove the foil and slice it. Serve it as a dessert and enjoy this onolicious kulolo. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!